Oh, a little low. You know, it's appropriate that I'm making toys because I look like Santa Claus. Somebody put up something about Santa Claus on the thing the other day on one of the internet things. I thought, yeah, that's just like me. Santa Claus putting an engine in a hot rod or something, you know. I thought, oh yeah, that's me. That's me, and that's what I'm going to be doing right there. Building an engine for a hot rod. What was the joy? Okay. On the camera over here, I'll do it now. A light. Well, I got a little light. Got a light. Here, where's that light? There it is. Up here. Okay, now we're cooking with gas. Now there's a tire to the front of that truck. And I'm thinking it's too skinny, so if I do another one of those, put them side by side, and then find me a washer that's about the right size. Now I could do this with threaded rod, but I've got some. This is threaded rod right here. You guys see that? Threaded rod right here. And with threaded rod, I could put a nut on the end, but you not need a nut. That fits on that welding rod pretty good. Let me cut another one. I'm just going to cut another one of those, and let me get something better to set y'all on, because as it is, I got you way off over there on the other side of the garage. Let me rearrange some things a little bit here. I got all excited about working on the car the other day, and you know, it's just that I don't know. I was looking up stuff, and I got to looking at some big fin Chryslers, and I was thinking about mine and things I could do to it. And I was thinking, no way, you're selling that, ain't you? But then I got excited about doing something with it, and then I got to thinking, well, now wait a minute, weren't you also gonna do something else, you know? And, oh, my brain just goes this way and that sometimes, and it's hard to keep it under control. What I like to do is drill all the way through this before I stop. Because a while ago I let up and I came back down, and I wound up drilling 2 holes by accident because it moved a little bit. If I can keep it from moving until I get all the way through it, like that, okay, it's got all the way through it now. Now I've got me a little wheelie thing right there. Oh, Luke is going to be so proud of me when he sees what I'm doing. Oh, the joy. I can't hardly wait to show him. Be glad he gets back from that secret transcontinental, otherworldly, highly important, and very exciting trip that he had to take in defense of the whole nation. By the way, we all owe a great honor of respect to the young man for what he's doing for us out there in the world, whatever that might be. Okay. That's what he said here. I suppose I have to move y'all over here. You can sit in the chair. Sit in the chair right here. Let me readjust the camera location angle thing. Boom. Yeah, what are you looking at? Yep, I think that'll work. Put the welding rod back out. Joy. You see, Luke could paint a little bit, so he could, I shouldn't say a little bit, he's an artist, but he could paint white sidewalls on this. Okay. Now another thing we could do, I got some other stuff over there that I can make tires of, or I can make part of a tire out of one and part out of another. But let's, let me get a piece of that to show and tell. Also, so here we are. with, see, now that's 2 tires, and they roll. And I'm thinking if we had a little washer, it was about as big as this, it would fit right there. Oh, let me go back and look in my washer bucket. Oh, the joy. Back into here where all manner of wonderful, mysterious stuff is.